Hi friend, welcome in today's episode Banknifty Trading Grow Like a Gardener. Banknifty Trading Pro 2.10 Excel time tested method, clear strategy, consistent result. If you ever want to trade Bank Nifty successfully, then I request you to download this expert trading guide. That is a free ebook. You can find this book in the descriptions. Under the descriptions you will find the link. Download the book and read it carefully. It has given everything you need to successfully trade Bank Nifty with this Excel sheet, where you have to enter the few data from a free website source and you can successfully get the plan ready. Like I said that trading is like a gardening. You should have different plan ready. How you will keep your different plan ready, this Excel sheet will help you. Download this ebook. The link is under the descriptions and you can understand how effectively you can use this Bank Nifty Trading Pro 2.10 to guide your daily Bank Nifty trading plan. I have included in this ebook exactly step by step what you have to do in this ebook, and you can find the result, past result of this Excel performance. Now, once you download, you can check the performance going into the tradingview.com, entering the data, and you can audit the performance. So, don't wait. Click the link below. Download this 60-minute expert guide, Bank Nifty Trading Pro 2.10. It will help you how to learn how to build a sustainable source of income to support your monthly budget. Trading Bank Nifty future. Time tested method, clear strategy, consistent result. Now I will show you what happens in today's market. In today's market we have a nice reversal trade. We had a conditions 2, we have a conditions 2 trade and a nice reversal trade. I will show you exactly what to do. Once I will enter the data from here, let me delete all the data from the previous days. As I delete, you can find that there is condition 1, 2, 3. So when you enter the data in the step 1 input data, open, high, low, close and 8 period exponential moving average, you will find the best match of today's trading session under this condition 1, 2 or 3. Once it will tell you which is the perfect conditions to trade plan for the day, then you have to move to either condition 1, conditions 2 or conditions 2, 3 based on these plan, and you have to check the entire detail of your trading plan ready over here. So let's begin. I will show you today, the 5th of January, what happened in the market and how you could have generate the trading plan effectively. Very easy. You just need to go to the tradingview.com and open the Bank Nifty chart, plot the 8 period exponential moving average. That's easy. And now once the first candle of the day, that is the 15-minute candle, once the first candle of the day of a 15-minute candle will over, this is the first candle. You see, the first candle of the first 5th of January was at 9:15. Once these things happen, you have to enter the data and you have to check what is the plan for the day. The day it will automatically come here, and then you have to check your plan accordingly. So let's enter the data first. The open of the first candle, all the data you will find reflecting here in this headline, and the ATMA data will be here. So I am just putting the cursor. Suppose at 9:15 candle, after the 9:15 candle close, the first candle, you have to enter the data of this first candle. Now let's begin. What is the open? Open was 31130 and the high was 31205, 31205, and low was 31011.10, and the close was 31175.25, and the 8 period exponential moving average, which is reflecting here, was 31267.69. I have done. Just entering into this data, move to this step 2, check the plan section. And as you can see that it is says conditions to yes. And it also says check conditions to tab. So there is 3 tab, condition 1, 2 and 3. You will move to conditions 2 tab and you will find the trade plan is ready. Now following our trading like gardener philosophy, we keep things open. We have plan A, plan B ready. We have multiple plan because like a gardener who need to care of his plant based on the weather conditions, a trader should deal his trade based on market condition. He should have a flexible approach. He should not be rigid with something. That is the reason this plan is set accordingly. Now what it says that you have to place a buy order at 31208. I have added a 1 point, and as you can see that this line is at 31209. This is the just this line, above line. It is clearly mentioned place a sell order at 31008. So you will place a sell order just below the 31008 mark. This line I have to move little bit and I have make it 31006. I added 1 or 2 points from these, and now my two orders should be placed after this first candle. One order is at 312008, another order is around 31008. One buy order, one sell order. As you can see, shortly after that your buy order was got triggered. As soon as your buy order got triggered, this line should act as a stop loss point. Now, what was the exit plan? It says exit if sell order trigger at 315. But today we have the buy order triggered. So let's see what was the target. The target if buy order triggered was 31520. So in this candle, the high of this candle it was 31521. So in this candle, our target of 31520 was achieved. Alternative target if sale order, it is for conservative target, but then it is for sale order. But today on the 5th of January we have buy order triggered and we have a target 31520. Our entry is around 31209 and our exit around 31520. That is around 300 plus point for this 5th of January. It is a conditions to reversal type of trade. So again, I am repeating, you should download the 60-minute expert guide Banknifty Trading Pro 2.10. The link is under the descriptions. Go and download these Excel and this guidelines, this 60-minute Banknifty Trading Pro ebook. The link is under the descriptions. Download, read it. I have given lot of example how to use this Excel sheet, and also you can see the performance of the month on month basis. All those performance is purely auditable and you can audit using this Excel and using the past data of TradingView, Bank Nifty Future 15-minute chart. Everything is very transparent. Thank you so much for your time. I appreciate and I value your time for watching this video. I will come out with the next video and next update very soon. Till then, take care.